Super Entertainment Live Scoop. Nasa panoorin niyo lahat. Hottest leading lady. Tinangkilik sa mga blockbuster movies gaya ng The Another, You Are the One, at My Big Love.
Si Mark na ba yan? Hanggang sa makikusap siya na balikan mo siya dahil hindi niya kaya mabuhay ng wala ka.
Tama! Multi-awarded recording artist, gold and platinum awardee para sa album na You Complete Me at Falling in Love. Certified concert performer, naging super successful ang first major concert niya, Catch Me, sa Aliw Theater na nagkaroon pa ng repeat. At in-demand product endorser, patuloy na pinagkakatiwalaan ng malalaking kumpanya para mag-endorse ng produkto nila. Hindi na mapigilan ang pagiging successful ni Tony. At yesterday, naganap ang launching ng pinakabago niyang album entitled Love is Tony Gonzaga under Star Records. Patuloy ang pag-angat ang nag-iisang ultimate multimedia star, Tony Gonzaga. Speechless tayo lahat. Walang Tony, congratulations! Congratulations! Thank you, ultimate multimedia star!
Sabi nila nila sa akin, pero thank you. It's very flattering. Pero gaya nga na sinabi ko yung Lamika and everyone else, it's too early to have a name, so wag muna. I have to prove more. Marami pa akong dapat na-try at kainin na bigas.
What more? Tony, what more?
So much more.
Wow! Mga pelikula mo, concert queen ka na ngayon.
Katakot-takot na commercials.
Oo nga, lahat. Tony Gonzaga. And I'm happy ko ang magazine
Alam mo yung
cover.
sinabi mo,
Sa serye, nagawa mo na rin. Sitcom, may ginagawa ka.
Oo.
Lahat.
At abangan niyo rin si Tony, pinakabagong host ng Umagang Kay Ganda.
Lahat kinarela siya. Hindi, pero alam mo lahat naman ng ito, utang na loob ko sa Star Records, sa ABS-CBN, at syempre sa mga fans ko na walang sawa talaga bumibili ng album, nanonood ng pelikula. To Mommy ni Syla, happy birthday! At sa lahat na nagsisponsor sa akin, to Shapes, Faces and Curves, Dr. Ines Pina, Caroline Merrill, Wade Sandy, maraming salamat. Ate Grace, welcome back. Thank you. Maraming salamat actually sa lahat yan dahil sa kanilang lahat. And once again, I'm inviting all of you to please do get a copy of my third album, under Star Records. And June issue of Star Studio, please do get a copy also.
Yes, ang ganda-ganda mo sa cover na to.
Kasi I will dare you all and it's gonna be something new. Watch out for it I think this Sunday na.
Wow!
Yes.
Tones, congratulations!
Wow. And it's true na talagang everything you're receiving, you really deserve.
Wow! Thank you, girls, and thank you, Louise.
Ito naman, Tony. Ito na yung concert. Teaching.
Yeah.
May 19 at Araneta. And once again, tuloy ng copy ng Star Studio at K-Magazine. Available na.
At meron pa.
Yes, in celebration of Star Cinema's 50th anniversary, available na po ang Women of Star Cinema Collection featuring the most memorable films of Miss Maricel Soriano and Sharon Cuneta and your mom, Vilma Santos.
Yes!
Salamat doon, Marian. Wala na isang bonggang-bongga red carpet treatment ang binigay ng Star Cinema fans at press conference ng pinakamalaking pelikula ng taon, ang Caregiver. Kamusta na kaya si Mega? Panoorin po natin.